Yes, yes. What up, YouTube? Another day, another video. We have another unboxing today. This is the Kicker Bear Polo. Let's check it out. It's gonna be my first time looking at it up in person. Yeah. Check this out. Got that right size. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, look at that. Very nice, very nice. So you got that little stripe pattern right there. I'm not sure if that's silk, but it's nice. Feels really good. Let's check out that crest, that heritage crest. Very, very dope. I like that scene right there. So you got that school building in the background. That's dope. All right, let's check out the back. Boom. Okay, very nice. So there's the ball he was kicking. The scene just continues on. Very similar to my Monte Carlo Grand Prix Polo. All right, so there's the ball he was kicking. There's some flags. Very, very dope. There's that same building from another angle. You can see the clouds in the sky and the trees. And that polo at the back is, it's like a glued on kind of pressed on kind of rubber. I thought it was stitched, but this is even nicer. I like that. I've had more than a few polos with this style. You can throw them in the washing machine. They don't rub off or wear out. And so that blue's got a little bit of a indigo kind of look to it, but the feel of the shirt, it's got like that mesh feel to it. It's not that butter soft cotton. Very, very dope though. I like this. And let's see, I think it's custom fit. Yeah, custom slim fit. Okay. Yeah, very, very nice. If this was a regular classic fit, I would have got it in a medium. Very, very dope. So I got the socks and the kicks that I showed y'all in my other video. So the next video I show, I'll have to put an outfit together. Since I got the socks, I got the kicks, and I got the shirt. All right. Still waiting for my track meet polo to come in. That should be here tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna build that outfit. This one I'm almost done. I gotta pick a pair of shorts, maybe a sweatsuit. I'll smoke a blunt and I'll figure it out. All right, y'all. That's the unboxing of my new piece. Peace.